So we're going to look at a reaction that is a little bit more complex. So we're going to look at So we're going to use this equation and we're going to figure out the coefficients that are going to go in front of each compound. So coefficient is the number in front. These numbers down below are called subscripts. And remember, there are invisible ones everywhere else that we cannot see one. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure this out using the method that we have been doing. So there are 1 Na over here. There is 1 I over here. And there are 2 Br. Over here, there is 1 Na. And I'm actually not going to put Br there, even though I know it's right there, because it'll make our life easier in a second. I'm going to keep the same order that I have over here. So I have 1 Na, there are 2 I, and 1 Br. Notice we do not touch the subscripts. They stay exactly as they are. So we're going to leave them and not touch them. Now, the Na match, the I don't match, and the Br don't match. So we're going to just choose one to stick with and then fix the other. So there's 2 times as many I over here as here. So that means we got to multiply somebody over here by 2. So that I is right here, and the only number we can put in is in front of this whole compound. So 2 times that. So we're going to put a 2 right here. And so it's 2 times Na and 2 times I. So it's going to become a 2, and this I is going to become a 2. Now, notice that our I is now fixed, but we messed up our Na, and our Br is still messed up. So we are going to now have to fix our Br. So to make this Br the same as this one, we need to multiply it by 2. The only place we can put that is going to be right in front. So we're going to make this a 2, and we're going to multiply that subscript all the way to everybody. So this is 2 times Na, and this is 2 times Br. All right, notice now that everybody is the same. So if you really want, you can put some invisible ones in if that makes you feel better. And you are done.